With the machine turned off, remove the hook cover plate and place the bobbin in the bobbin holder with the thread running off counterclockwise. Guide the thread into the first notch on the front side of the bobbin holder. Draw the thread to the left, sliding it between the tension spring blades. Continue to draw the thread lightly until the thread slips into the second notch. Pull about 6 inches of thread. Attach the hook cover plate. Check the threading by referring to the diagram shown on the hook cover plate. With the presser foot raised, hold the needle thread lightly with your left hand. Turn the power switch on. Press the needle up-down button twice to lower and raise the needle to pick up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads 4 to 6 inches under and behind the presser foot.